Okay, here's another question that I was asked to work on with by a student. Let's talk first about what's going on. Match the numbers with the correct label. Now, I feel like students, and I've said this in class when we did this, I feel like students kind of freak out. They're like, wait a minute, which one goes in which exact position? Um, but you remember, the A is the one furthest to the left, so that's going to be the smallest number. B is going to be in the middle, and then C is going to be the largest number. But don't forget, all three of these numbers are to the left of 0, all right? So they're negative, so make sure we don't mess that up. All right, so here we go. Negative 2/8 is equal to, not approximately equal, it's exactly equal to negative 1/4, which I think is fair to say most people know that that means negative 0.25. Okay, in red, I'm going to do this bottom one. Negative 0.20 is equal, sorry, negative 0.2 is equal to negative 0.20. Now, this last one, negative 3/7, I'm going to do in, let's do it in blue up here. That means negative 3 divided by 7, right? So we know the answer is going to be a negative, right? So I'm going to do the whole 3 in the house, 7 out of the house, and let's start calculating, okay? So, does 7 go into 3? No. Does 7 go into 30? 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Remainder is 2. Bring down a 0. 7 goes into 20 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. Remainder is 6. Bring down a 0. Now, I actually have enough to answer the question here, but I just want to keep going because just want to show you something. 7 goes into 60 8 times. 8 times 7 is 56. Remainder is 4. Bring down another 0. 7 goes into 40 5 times. 5 times 7 is 35. Remainder is 5. Bring down another 0. And we got 7 goes into 50 7 times. 7 times 7 is 49. Remainder is 1. Going to do something a little unusual here because I'm running out of space. I'm actually going to move everything over. Wouldn't that be nice to be able to do that on paper? But you can't. All right. So bring down another 0. 7 goes into 10. 1 time. 1 times 7 is 7. Remainder is 3. And if I brought down another 0, I'm going to end up back here with 30. So the 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, the 1 repeats. Sorry, not the 1 repeats. The whole thing is going to repeat. So the answer is 0.42857 repeating, right? So it's 0.42857142857142857 going on forever. But this is approximately equal to, I'm going to round it, negative 0.43. Approximately equal to negative 0.43. And by the way, what I said was when I got to here, I already knew the answer. I went out 2 decimal places because now all 3 of these are out to 2 decimal places. And clearly, which one is furthest to the left? Which one's furthest to the left? Negative 0.3, negative 0.43. So the smallest is negative 3/7. So that's A. The next smallest is negative 0.25. So negative 2/8 is next. So negative 2/8 would be B. Should switch up the colors. Make a little box here. And then the largest would be negative 0.2, which is C. Sorry for my messy handwriting. I know I write like a 5-year-old.